Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. Hi everyone, hope you all are good. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. We are here for grade 6 math. Hi everyone. You have to log in there using your email address and password provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find list of chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are estimate customary measurements, estimate metric measurements, compare and convert customary units, customary unit conversions involving fractions and mixed numbers. So please make sure you have your book and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 6 math. Let's just start with the chapter unit of measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is estimate customary measurements. Let's just start with the lesson. Which is a better estimate for the distance of a road from one end of a city to the other. So you are given the options 14 miles or 14 feet. So which is the correct option? That is 14 miles, right? Okay, let's just start with the test question because here you are not given the options. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a can of soda, which is the correct option? 21 tablespoons or 21 gallons, which is the correct option? The correct option is that is a can of soda, right? So that must be 21 tablespoons because 21 gallons is too much for the can of soda, right? Which is a better estimate for the volume of a shampoo bottle? 1 teaspoon or 1 quart, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 quart, that is the volume of the shampoo bottle. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a cement truck? Which is the correct option? 28 ounces, 28 tons, which is the correct option. 28 tons because that cement truck it is. So the correct option is 28 tons. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a duck? 36 ounces, 36 pounds, which is the correct option. The correct option is 36 ounces, right? Because 36 pounds is too 36 pounds because 36 ounces is too much. 36 ounce it is, right? 36 pounds is too heavy, sorry. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a blender? 6 tablespoons, 6 cups, which is the correct option. That would be 6 cups. The correct option is 6 cups. Which is the better estimate for the length of a surfboard? 9 inches to 9 feet, which is the correct option. 9 feet is the correct option is 9 feet. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a kitchen pot? 1 cup, 1 gallon. The correct option is 1 cup it is, right? 1 gallon is too much for the oh, that's 1 gallon. The correct option is 1 gallon. Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the weight of a floor lamp? 12 times 12 pounds, which is the correct option. Floor lamp is 12 pounds. 12 tons is too much for the weight, right? Which is the better estimate for the height of the room? 4 feet, 4 yards. The correct option is 4 feet, I think, because 4, 4, oh yes, that's 4 yards. I think you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is estimate metric measurements. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a coffee can, which is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a coffee can, which is the correct option. 3 liters it is right because 3 liters is too much for the coffee can. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is the better estimate for the height of a garage door, which is the correct option. The correct option is 2 meters, right? Because 2 centimeters is too less small for the door height of the door. Which is the better estimate for the length of a golf tee, which is the correct option. The correct option is golf tee. Tee it is. Tee it is. It will be 5 centimeters. I think that would be 5 meters because 5 centimeters is too small. That is 5 centimeters, right? The correct option is 5 centimeters. Okay, got it. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a coin? 3 grams, 3 kilograms, which is the correct option. That is just a point, right? So that would be 3 grams. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a trumpet? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 kilogram. Which is the better estimate for the distance of a long running race? Which is the correct option? Yes, 6 kilometers. It is the correct option is 6 kilometers. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a bag of groceries? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 kilograms. Option number two is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a blue stick? 26 kilograms, 26 grams. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 26 grams. Option number two is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a bottle of nail polish? Which is the correct option? That is 15 milliliters, right? Because that is just a nail polish bottle. Which is the better estimate for the height of a postage stamp? Which is the correct option? That is 22 millimeters. Option number two is the correct option. The correct option is 12 centimeter. That would be a carrot stick, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself and today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is compare and convert customary units. Let's just start with the lesson. The next lesson is compare and convert customary units. Which is more 1 quart or 4 cup, which is the correct option. One quart and 4 cups are exactly equal, right? Which is more 1 tablespoon or 5 teaspoons? So 1 tablespoon is same as 3 teaspoons, right? So that means 5 teaspoons is more than 1 tablespoon, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is more 13 inches or 1 yard, which is the correct option? 1 yard equal 36 inches, right? So that means 1 yard is more than 13 inches. The correct option is 1 yard. That is 1 pound is same as 16 ounces, right? So which is more? 1 pound is more because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces. So 1 pound is more. Which is more? 1 tablespoon or 4 teaspoons? Which is the correct option? 4 teaspoon is more, right? Because in 1 tablespoon you have 3 teaspoons. So 4 teaspoon is more than 1 tablespoon. Which is more? 1 pint or 16 fluid ounces? Which is the correct option? 'I think they are exactly equal, right? 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces. So they are equal, you see. Yes, they are equal. Which is more? 2,478 pounds or 1 ton? Which is the correct option? 2,478 pounds is more than 1 ton, right? Because in 1 ton you have 2,000 pounds. Which is more? 6 ounces or 1 pound? Sixteen ounces is more than 1 pound. So 1 pound is more, right? Because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces, so 1 pound is more. Okay, the next one is Which is more, 1 ton or 144 pounds? So which is the correct option? 1 ton is more. The correct option is 1 ton. Which is more, 1 ton? Sorry, 1 mile or 1,002 yards? Which is the correct option? 1 mile equals 1,760 yards, right? So then 1 mile is more than 1,002 yards. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is conver- customary unit conversion in volume fractions and mixed numbers. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, convert. We have 1/4 of a mile. You need to convert it to the yards, right? So we know that 1 mile equal 1 yard equal 1,760 yards, right? So you have divided by the multiplied by the 1,760 yards. That is 440, right? Let's just start with the test questions, then you can understand more easily. Convert, simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So which is the correct option? So 1 foot equal 12 inches, right? We know that 1 foot equal 12 inches, right? So here you can see 6 inches equal how many feet? You have 6 inches here, and we know that 2 times 6 is 12. So here you have 1 foot. So you can divide both sides by 2. So that is half foot equals 6 inches. Got it? The correct option is 6 inches equal half feet. The option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Convert 4 inch equal how many feet? 1 foot equal 12 inches, right? So here you have 4 inches. 3 times 4 is 12, right? Now divide both sides by 3. So you have 1 by 3 feet equal 4 inches. The correct option is 1 by 3. One thousand tons equal 1,000 pounds equal how many tons? That is half ton, right? Because 1 ton equal to 1,000 pounds, so that means 1,000 pounds are half of a ton. The correct option is 1/2. 8 ounce equal how many pounds? Half, right? Because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces. So 8 ounces is the half of the pound. 1/4 of a mile is that is 1,320, right? Option number two is the correct option. 1 foot equal how many yards? Correct option is 1/3 is the correct option. How many pence equal half of a quart? That is 2 pence equal half of a quart. Because I think in 1 quart you have 4 pence, 2 pence. The correct option is one. Got it? Because 1 quart equal 2 pence. Okay. Half of a mile equal how many yards? That is 880. Option number one is the correct option. 500 pounds equal how many tons? One fourth of a ton, right? Because one ton equals 2,000 pounds. That is 1/4. 3 inches equal how many feet? The correct option is 1/4 of a feet, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. Chapter we were working on is measurement, unit of measurements. The lessons we have covered today are estimate customary measurement, estimate metric measurements, convert and compare customary units. Customary unit conversions involving fractions and mixed numbers, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until right. If you need more help with any of lesson, you can contact any people on the site. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone. That is going to speak with because I think one part that's going to be but if we come to one part,